We are the Adventurous Pair.
Driving along the Iceland roads, sunrise, like 11 in the morning. So today is day 4, New Year's Day, first day of 2019, and we just travelled 2 hours along the ring road to go see a plane wreckage. Now I've got to do like a 2-mile trek before we actually see this plane. We're videoing. Oh, my hair. It's getting a bit hot. Walking over to a plane crash. Not that plane that's crashed, the other plane that crashed. And I've got a view behind. Midday sun. Gorgeous. So we've just been a plane in the distance, but we got there just before the crowds around, and now I've been partying around and I've planned over it, so it's spoiling it. But I've got some questions. Now we're going to walk back. It's like
It's a bit chilly, but I think it's taken us 55 minutes now, I think, nearly to get back to the car. The car's just behind me, and we're going to have a little look at some waterfalls now.
the big monster truck there with wheels. They're going like sent to Iceland. Anyway, we're off to see Waterfalls, and we're trying to beat the darkness at this moment in time. Alright, so we're after another waterfall and I can't pronounce it. You can go behind it if we get there before dark. There's a snow blizzard going on. Can't really tell on the camera. So that's a wrap for today. We just got back to our hotel after going to Metro, which is their equivalent to the McDonald's, because McDonald's got banned in Iceland in 2009. So yes, a little bit burger and chips. Yeah, tomorrow we fly home, so it's like really concerned about our holiday now. We better get packing. Bye.
It's the last day. We're all packed and we're heading home now. It's 5 in the morning and we're on our way to the airport, and Emma's quite upset that we're leaving.
I don't want to go home.
But we do. It's back to reality.
Unfortunately.
To the airport.
All I want is certain.